Welcome to a short video on the user's experience for using Microsoft's passwordless sign-in, which is more secure than using a normal password or some other forms of authentication. For the purpose of this video, so that we can make sure that we are prompted for this two-factor authentication, we've signed into Microsoft Edge using an in-private session here. That allows us to force the two-factor thing to happen. So let's, without any ado, let's continue on. So on the next screen, we're going to sign in as Megan B at solvedemo.com. This is a demonstration tenant. There is no live or real data in here. Megan has been already set up for passwordless sign-in, and Megan has created or gone into the Microsoft Authenticator on her mobile device, and she has tapped on the option to set up passwordless authentication. That's already been done. So at this point, when Megan hits the next button and goes to the login screen, she'll be presented with the normal familiar stuff that we're all familiar with. The password option, the forgot password option, so she can reset her password if she chooses to. However, there's another option showing now, which is use an app instead. So this will display a number on the screen, and that number will be amongst a number of choices presented on the Microsoft Authenticator app on her mobile device. All she'll have to do is simply tap on the corresponding number on the mobile device to grant her permission to sign into the tenant. The mobile app, the Microsoft Authenticator app, is required, and that app will require a biometric or a PIN or some such to further add extra protection to the sign-in process. However, it's very straightforward. Most times it will look for a fingerprint or a facial recognition biometric is usually the best way to go. So without any further ado, we'll go ahead and we'll click on the use an app instead and see what happens. So as predicted, up comes a number on the screen, and that number is now being displayed on Megan's mobile device. So Megan will tap choose the number 48 out of the list that are provided, and that will then take Megan to the following screen to indicate that Megan is in fact now signed into Microsoft, and from here she can go off and do whatever she needs to do in the Microsoft environment. That's pretty much it. However, just to recap, signing in, if you see this for the first time on your device, you'll use an app instead. That will then present you some choices in terms of the number to select on the mobile device. The mobile device will also require confirmation that it's actually you, so a biometric or a fingerprint or a PIN number, and at that point it'll sign you into the tenant. I will make note here that this is a branded tenant, so if your Office 365 environment doesn't have your logos or doesn't have some customization to indicate to you that your environment is actually what you're logging into, then perhaps talk to your IT people about this. Adding your logos, adding a custom background, something that makes sense to your environment, gives the users a sense of being home, a sense that they're signing into something that's not a fake website, and just adds to the confidence of the overall experience. Again, thank you for watching. We do hope this was beneficial, and if you enjoyed this video, then please like it on YouTube, and for any more information, you're welcome to visit us at solvebusiness.com.au. Thank you.